123 BPM.
Yeah, I like that.
Hey Foothill, great day out here with Elementary for the Easter egg drop. I don't know how many people we had, but it's way more than we expected. We had rides and games and stuff for all the kids, face painting, and then of course the culmination of it all was the helicopter strafing the field with 4,000 Easter eggs. What an amazing day! If you missed it, you missed it. But we had a great time, and hope you enjoyed this highlight film.